In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to email Teamviewer. Now, technically speaking, Teamviewer doesn't offer direct email support for general inquiries. Instead, they provide a streamlined way to get in touch with them via their website, which involves submitting a support ticket. So, if you're trying to reach out to Teamviewer for support, let me guide you through the proper process. First, you'll want to open your preferred web browser. Whether you're using Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or any other browser of your choice, make sure it's up and running and you're connected to the internet. This step is essential as you'll need a stable internet connection to proceed to the next steps. Once your browser is open, go to the search bar and type in Teamviewer. This will bring up search results related to Teamviewer. Look for the official Teamviewer website, which should typically be one of the top results. Click on this link to go directly to their official page. It's important to access the official site to ensure you're getting accurate information and the correct pathways for support. Now that you're on Teamviewer's official site, you need to find the Support section. This is where you will get access to resources that can help you. Look around for a tab or link that specifically says Support. Once you've located it, click on it to navigate further. After entering the support section, look for an option to Submit a Request. This is the gateway to communicating your needs or inquiries to Teamviewer. By clicking on Submit a Request, you'll be directed to a form where you can describe your issue or question in detail. When filling out the support ticket form, make sure to provide all necessary details about your issue. Try to be as specific and clear as possible. The more precise you are in describing your issue, the better Teamviewer can understand and thus assist you. Include relevant details such as your operating system, the version of Teamviewer you are using, and any error messages you've encountered. This will help them provide a quicker and more tailored response. Once you've filled in all the necessary information, review your entry to ensure accuracy. Double-check that everything is filled out correctly and you haven't missed anything crucial. Accuracy in your information will facilitate a faster response from Teamviewer's support team. Lastly, go ahead and submit the request. After submission, keep an eye on your email inbox for any correspondence from Teamviewer. They will follow up with you regarding your inquiry. Be sure to check your spam or junk folders as well, in case their response doesn't land directly in your main inbox. And there you have it. Submitting a support request is how you effectively reach out to Teamviewer when you need assistance. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide was helpful for you.